We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with ACHR, and that's Archer Aviation Inc. Now this is an innovative company and the stock currently is near all-time lows, and also we have it here pulling downwards in today's price action. But it wasn't the only stock falling down. Many stocks were falling today, and even the overall market, the SPY was pulling down. And this morning our SPY bot since 9 a.m. sent us out a bear indicator, and put options within minutes were up 2 to 3x. And later on at 12 p.m. within the volatility, we got a bull indicator sent to us directly over at the Discord. We received a notification, and call options were up 2 to 3x within minutes as well, guys. This is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the Discord and the 42 vision indicator. So the overall market's pulling downwards. The penny stock ACHR is pulling downwards. But why are we talking about this stock? Well, we have some interesting stuff going on with it. Insiders are buying. We're going to look at the size and how much they've been buying. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, we strive for opportunities like these every single day, every single week. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump right into it here with ACHR, Archer Aviation Inc. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I was watching this morning. IMPP is a stock that we started watching since Tuesday and Wednesday. And within the week, we have been watching this one and making opportunities out of it. It's been our home run nearly every single day, and today it turned out to be phenomenal and beyond expectations. When I mentioned it early on in the pre-market, it was sitting sideways, went under a bear indicator towards the bell, got that bull indicator, and hit a first highest point of 18% plus, consolidated, went up and broke through 20% plus, pulled back and took off within the whole entire day from the moment it was mentioned to its highest point of 90% plus, guys. And this was our home run, not just today, but within the whole entire week. And the first time we mentioned it and started watching it was way back here at 181. And so far it's hit highs of 420, giving a highest point so far this week of 120% plus, guys. We strive for opportunities like these every single day, every single week. And if you guys want to know about them early on in the pre-market or early on within the week, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump into these charts. So here we are with ACHR, Archer Aviation Inc. And I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicator, so we can analyze this over in the charts in different time frames. And you can now gain access as well to the bull and bear indicators, which is 42 Vision. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicators to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with ACHR, Archer Aviation Inc. And it's currently under a bear indicator on the 30-minute. When you zoom out and look at this from the 1 day though, things are showing us that things have been pretty bearish for some time. Since way up here at $6.65, went into extreme weakness, consolidation area, and has sat there for some months now. Now, when you put the 4 hour, same thing. Had went into a bull indicator here at around 295, jumped up, pulled back down, and currently under a bear indicator. So this is in a position of weakness. It could retest lows or even pull back and try to bounce off 262. That's the 52-week range and the all-time low. So definitely a point to be watching within that area if it breaks into newer lows or find support. And this is probably one of the biggest opportunities knowing about this stock now, right? And if it breaks through the lows, it's a great time to analyze, do further research, and understand this company. In no shape or form, anything that I share in my videos or even this video is to be taken as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I am just analyzing the technical setups and what the chart's showing and what the data is showing. So let's go back into the volatility here on the 30-minute so you could see what's going on here. A lot of consolidation back and forth, has given multiple runs of 10 to 20%. So it's tradable. That's one thing I like so far about it. And the second thing is it's near all-time lows. And this is where it gets interesting. You have an insider here that's a 10% owner. It's the same person that bought at 564, 650, 581, and recently, March 1st through the 3rd, bought an average of a size of $960,000, almost $1 million, right? Of $3.04 within that time frame. That's their average. I went ahead and did the math and added up the total price and the amount they own to calculate how much they have in their 10% stake and also how much their average cost is. And I found it interesting that the first time they started to report purchases at the $5 mark adds up to where they're at and why they probably bought at $3 to keep their average costs within a range that they see value in. And this is where it gets even more interesting. We're currently below $3.04. The stock is currently at 288. The all-time lows is 261. If it goes lower than that, it's an even bigger opportunity because no one would stake this much money into a stock if they don't believe in it or see value in it, right? So let's pull up here the calculations. So I went ahead and added it all up. How many in total, right? Based off the price range. I divided it by 4 because we have 4 different transactions here. I added all of this up. Once I divided it, we went ahead and got 5.24. That's their average cost. And I multiplied it by 27.24, which is the total amount that they own. So when you do the math, right, and put it all together, they have about $142 million at stake at an average cost of 5.24. Okay. When we go ahead and go back over here, okay, they're down nearly 40% plus, right? So anyone finding out about this, right, at these levels or even lower has an advantage over this 10% owner. And it's very interesting because when their average cost was around 650, 580, 564, and not including the purchase of $3.04, their average cost was much higher, right? It was closer to actually almost $6 and some change. They made this purchase recently and they see value at these levels and they brought down their average cost back to the levels that they've always seen it to be a fair value because they're sticking around $5. If they buy again, if it sticks around here even longer or goes lower, then they see value in it even below those levels, or the fair value that they see is around $5. That's one of the big things I'm going to be watching moving forward. But very, very interesting how you have here ACHR in the position of being below those levels. They just recently purchased between the 1st and the 3rd as it's dipping. And if it goes back and retests recent lows, anyone finding out about it is already ahead of this investor. And I don't see anyone investing this amount of money if they don't see value. Now, if we zoom out, we go to the 1 day, things have been pretty bearish. So it does not signify because this 10% owner is buying, things are going to go back up because you could see how much they have invested. The stock hasn't even moved. But this is a great time to be watching these current levels because insiders, when they buy, it signifies conviction, something that they know that we don't know about the company, right? Or they just see fair value at these levels, or actually that it's undervalued and they're taking advantage of it. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.